still have this PlayStation 3 3D display from my old gadget collection and still like new. I have used it for a while with my PS4, which is I also started to use it with my PlayStation 3. I also own my first generation Xbox One and thought, why not hooking it up together? Hello everyone, this is Roland Uy, and please join me connecting my Xbox One to my PlayStation 3 3D display. And yes, as you can see, it's working as normal. But that's not the only reason we are watching this video. I can say the display is still one of the best monitor or TV today, and if you still have it or still have a chance to buy it now, I can advise you, please do. I'm sorry when I say it's monitor or TV, as it was not categorized any of both. I'm just not sure how to describe it right now. But let's say it's a display for now. To be honest, I still love the design starting from the slim bezel on top and bottom, the sturdy stand, and the position of the speakers on both sides. And yes, there is built-in speaker unlike most of the monitors today. You have the option to hear the sound externally anytime you feel discomfort from your headset. Its resolution is 1080p Full HD, but I can still describe as it is in the middle of Full HD and 4K. Maybe I can describe it's nearly 2K. The image is still very clear and crisp. The refresh rate was advertised as 240Hz on its release, though it's not true. It's still clear and almost cannot recognize on normal gaming. I got no definite news about the response time, but I don't find any issue, especially when I'm still playing with my PS4. What about trying to play some games?
Stand by.
Since Strowman's arrival in WWE, I think we all knew that he was a dangerous man, but I don't think during that rivalry would be a gross understatement, especially when you look at what he did to Reigns while inside an ambulance. These guys are undoubtedly going to give us a shit, suffered career-ending injuries that night.
Out west, the season nearly complete. Take a look at the Mavericks. Right now, if the playoffs started, they would have the 7th seed. And of course, the Warriors. Not really any threat right now, as their record showing a lot more losses.
Everyone, coaches, players, front office, I mean, they've all been determined to avoid a repeat of last season. The results speak for themselves.
Now Golden State's starting five. There's Seth Curry, and it's Hardaway in at the small forward position. Now Curry, after the missed three from Stephen Curry. Here's Porzingis. They get it back. Goes up.
I'm also amazed using it with YouTube and Netflix. One of those gamers who cannot stick with one setup for a longer period of time. I keep on changing it whenever I wanted to because I love doing it. Hello everyone, this is Roland Uy and this is my Xbox One S gaming setup.
What are we gonna do? Reset us in 30 seconds. Where is she?
It's just not like her to be late. Are they up there? Yeah, they're up there. Cool.
You will not see the real look of this display on this video, but I can assure that it's totally different in actual. Now that's all about the good side. You might want to ask me, what about the downside? The only downside I can say about this display is its glossy screen, which is sometimes an issue when you play on daytime or in a bright room. That's all about it for now. Please leave a like if you like this video and let me know in the description if you have any questions, and please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching and see you again next time.